Oh man, what's going on? Sorry, I'm a little late. I was trying to babysit a gold trade and I didn't have time to come out of that to do a video this morning, but here we go. Gold melted down. We're looking at this overnight, jumped into a short here on gold. Got out early, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't catch all of this. However, I'm in a long now because I caught it down here when we not down here, sorry, when we engulfed up in here and then we broke back above our breaker structure. So I'm currently in the gold long from 52.32, and I'm gonna see how much I can hold on to this, how long I can ride this thing, pause, see if it gets up to 5,400 and be super duper good on that. So I'm holding that for gold. Let's go look at SPY and SPX. Fell off of a cliff. All right, we've been talking about this all week, right? I've been saying we're at a supply zone. Thought we had a structural change here, broke retest, and we lost the retest, and that's all we wait for. Great double top here. We lost the retest, and now we've fallen over almost 100 points on the day. And I think a lot of this is because interest rates weren't cut, right? That's what it boils down to, interest rates not being cut. And then we're kindly going back and forth with stuff with Iran and the potential of some global things happening there. But I expect this to continue falling, at least to try to retest the bottom of this at like 68.34. We may catch some bottom there and get us a bounce. Let's go to our larger time frame on the 1 hour and see what we got here. I guess internet want to be slow here. Let's reload this. Reloading. Internet killing me here. So that took forever. All right, so this switched over to SPY. I want to go back to SPX on my larger time frame. Go to the 1 hour here. Yeah, more than likely going to come down and try to retest this here. You see, we already had this drawn out, right? Just faked this out yesterday with the pump. But we're more than likely to come back down to like the 68.40. And then if we get a bounce there, that gives us a nice double bottom to push it back up. I'm looking for a bounce. I'm looking for it to come down here so I can jump in on that bounce. Let's go look at Microsoft, man. Unfortunately, they beat on top and bottom, and their stock still kind of fell off of a cliff yesterday. I think they lost like 4%, even though they beat earnings. So this is why I tell people I don't play earnings calls, right? This is what we were expecting. It didn't happen, and we fell down. I don't like playing earnings. I'll wait until the smoke settles. We got some room to fall here. We have a key level here at about 406 that this can fall back down to. Let's look at a larger time frame. Um, I don't even see a demand zone yet from Microsoft. Sheesh. No demand zone until 380. Will it fall that far? I don't know. My first level will be 406. See if we catch a bounce. If we don't catch a bounce there, then you could take puts from that 406 down to 380. But very bearish here. Another one was Tesla. They beat on their top and their bottom also, and they still lost, right? We're right here at a demand zone. But remember, this was a breakout and a retest of a falling wedge. This is our second retest. If we catch this wick, and then we get a body forming up and push this up, we could take this long. If we lose this, we're probably coming back down and touch the bottom of this wedge here at 391. So don't do anything until we break out of this 425, or we break below this 415. Stay patient on that, or else you will get clapped. Bitcoin melting. It's like everything's melting, right? People talk about when things are safe havens, but when the world is scary, everything melts, right? We saw gold melt, we saw SPY melt, we saw the tech indices and tech companies melt. We're also seeing Bitcoin melt. So safe haven, smafe haven, just trade your technical analysis. You ain't got to worry about that. All right, 84. We got a demand zone here on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens. Do we hold it? If we bounce here and hold it, we're good. If we lose this, we got 80 to come down to. And so let's go look at Riot. Crazy double top here on Riot. This looks like what we see on SPY right now in SPX. It's Riot double top. We lost the key level here. Bitcoin's falling. We're probably going to pull this thing down to at least 15. So you can short Riot here. And again, it's a $16 stock. So $1, $2 move is a lot of money when it comes to options on a stock this cheap. So that's what I got for you this morning. Let's see how it all plays out. And I'll be back afternoon. Peace.